How to use Gjensidige Home Insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Gjensidige Home Insurance is a leading provider in Denmark, but many homeowners make mistakes that leave them underinsured or paying more than necessary. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. A common error is underestimating coverage. Rising construction and repair costs mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing belongings. Review your sums insured regularly and adjust for renovations, new appliances, or high-value items. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Gjensidige policies include personal liability coverage, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property, or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is a frequent mistake. Moving, remodeling, or purchasing new possessions can change coverage requirements. Not informing Gjensidige may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss discounts. Gjensidige offers savings for bundle policies, security system installations, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Always document damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Gjensidige Home Insurance Denmark. Ensure coverage matches your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects both your home and peace of mind.